Alright, I'm here with a quick unboxing of the Un Carré sur Herme, excuse my pronunciation, scarf, which is a picnic motif that will go well with the Kelly picnic. So let me get to it. So this scarf is 90 centimeters, and like all Hermes scarves, it is 100% silk. And the reason why I got it, although I think this is upside down, is for this picnic motif. So you can see the picnic basket, some fish, some fruit, a baguette, and it looks like a nice summer picnic. And you can actually see on the book the name of the scarf right there. And again, this is 90 centimeter size, 100% silk. So not too big, so kind of a typical scarf size from Hermes. And looking forward to using this more in the summer with the Kelly picnic. So in the US, as of December 2024, this scarf retails for $550. Thanks for watching. Leave any questions or comments below as always, and I'll see you next time.